It's now time for an NDTV Profit exclusive. SEBI is set to regulate algo-based trading platforms with credit rating agencies, playing a key role in validation. In addition, an exchange will oversee a critical data center for this process. Charu joins in with more details on this. Charu, what is the SEBI thinking? Quant becoming quite significant in this space.
Hi, good morning. So the regulator has been a part of several debates, discussions and conversations with a lot of experts in the market along with the exchanges as to what to do about regulating the algo trading based platforms. Now we've been told via different sources that the point where these debates and discussions were stuck was that whether a validation agency for these platforms should be overseen by a credit rating agency or by the National Stock Exchange. Now this seems to have been settled as the validation agencies is something that is a role which the credit rating agencies are going to undertake. Meanwhile, the exchanges are also going to be roped into these regulations, as one of the exchanges going to be given the responsibility of coming up with a data center that is going to collect all the required data for the validation process. Now whether BSE or NSE would be doing it is not clear. Either one of them is going to be given the responsibility. Now for our viewers, I would also like to explain that algo trading platforms are the platforms which give out strategies which are based on the past performance of the markets to give information about the future returns. Now any unverified information about getting future returns is something that SEBI stands completely against. In fact, recently the regulator had come out with a notice to all the brokers in the industry, almost all of them, over 122 of them, to reply to SEBI's notice and tell them why they are associated with an algo-based platform known as TradeTron. So a lot of action is taking place in this arena, and let's see when a proper proposal paper and a final circular comes out.
We'll watch out for this. Well, thanks for that, Charu. Well, regulatory scrutiny, action, rightly as well, has been the key hallmark in the last 12 to 18 months. Sometimes it's impacted sectors in a very bad way. A lot of these things actually work out well in the end.